Hi, yesterday I do a consultation for my student. So she talked about this case study, right? She took 4 hours to do these consolidations. So what is it about? Well, there are two worksheets, and the difference is that on one worksheet we have dance agreement, and there is a challenge is that um, there's a duplicate IC number because of two different women. And what she wants is that take this 1 2 3 this agreement, copy and paste it here, and you copy this 1 2 3 and you paste it here. Well, if you only have 1 2 3, then it's easy, right? We can just simply use a VLookup, right? Just put that VLookup, click on this, comma, and select this column. Select another worksheet. Oh, how is it like? Okay, go to the, okay, and then select here until here and lock it. Uh, just pressing the function key F4, comma, and count 1 2 3. So we get a 3. And force type, put 0 and enter. So we got 5 6 7 8, and we copy this down, and notice that the second item will still remain referring to 5 6 7 8, which is the first item in this list. Okay, it doesn't mean that it must be a first item, right? Let me just put it here. It will still give you 5 6 7 8. But my student don't want this. Want this here, 6 7 8 9. So how to do that? Now the current method is that they will use sorting or Control Shift. Just do a sorting. Right click, sort. Before that, let me just put the original uh, order, right orders. Okay, so I just right click here, do a sorting on sorter separator. So we can see there's two. So I can just copy this and paste it here. No big deal. And we have 2 3 4. Okay, we just copy this and put here. No big deal, right? No big deal. The deal is that when your data is a lot, over thousands or maybe 8,000, then this is a big deal. Because the largest list here, the more copy and paste will be required. So that's why it took 4 hours. And there's no single easy function to do that. So when I hear this challenge, I quickly relate to my past uh, consulting success story, and I can relate this that okay, I know that this company is in fintech, so I'm just search for it. So and I quickly find that solutions and customize it to create a report for my students. So now instead of having this, I suggest that to have I give a solution with a index column so that you have a combined key. So based on the combined key, we can make use of all this function here to generate this, right? So let's just see here. So instead of that, let's just put VLookup, click on this here, comma, and select the here. Just look at here some more, and comma, and put 1 2 3 4 5 5, and then 0 and enter. So oops, that's not the one. Let's see. So I get that. I get that. Okay, so what is that? So okay, that's B to F. Oh, that's no. Oh, it should be no 5. It's 4. Okay, just change it to 4. And I just copied it down. Now you can see that here it becomes 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is how I solve the 4-hour task to less than, you guess how much time you need. You got it. It should be less than 5 minutes, right? Or even 3 minutes. So once again, thank you for my students, my clients, Malati, for sharing this challenge. And I also thank God uh, for giving me the ideas and strength and creative uh, thought to solve this problem within less than 10 minutes. That's where successful experience count. We can always draw the solution for our past successful experience. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.
My name is Marcia. Okay, before this, I'm planning to solve batching data with multiple accounts. So probably I take time at least 4 hours to solve it. And then after I check solution from Ken, there's only 5 minutes. Even I think less than 5 minutes, we can solve data issues. Thank you so much, guys.
My name is Aizura. So my issue is regarding the Excel is take is more than almost 1 day to complete the data validation. But then after I make can consultation, then the data solved within 1 to 2 minutes after macro after 7 line of macro.
Hi, I'm Alini. I'm an unit head for the credit card department, and I'm very grateful after I've learned a lot of things in the Excel training today with Mr. Ken. And so far, whatever I have done so far, it takes about 60 minutes, almost 1 hour and a half. But with the whatever I have learned from the Excel training, okay, it can reduce almost from 60 minutes to 3 minutes only. Okay, so I'm very grateful to learn a lot of things during Excel training, and thank you so much once again to Mr. Ken.
Are you ready? Tanah airku kasih berbentuk berjasa, ku sedang semburat untuk di sini, mereka ku terluka. Memangnya negaraku maju, negaraku tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku, di hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu negaraku tanah tumpah darahku. Kita bersama membina masa depan, semangat setinggi angkasa. Kita bersama bersyukur pada Tuhan, kepadanya kita berserah. Aku negaraku, aku negaraku, sememangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku, di hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu laungkan namamu ke seluruh dunia. Malaysia, aku bahagia. Ku negaraku, aku negaraku, sememangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Negaraku, hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu negaraku, tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku. Kita bersama bersyukur pada Tuhan, kepadanya kita berserah. Aku negaraku, aku negaraku, sememangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku, di hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu laungkan namamu ke seluruh dunia. Malaysia, aku bahagia. Ku negaraku, aku negaraku, sememangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku. Laungkan namamu ke seluruh dunia. Malaysia, aku bahagia. Ku negaraku, aku negaraku, sememangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku. Memangnya negaraku maju. Tanah tumpah darahku. Hatiku negaraku, selamanya ku negaraku. Satu tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku. Selamanya ku negaraku. Satu tanah tumpah darahku. Aku negaraku. Aku negaraku. Negaraku.